Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making a bird feeder. This one is really easy and lots of fun because we get to get a bit messy. Your first step that what you're going to do is you're going to grab your nut butter and you're going to spread it all over your cardboard tube. Make sure you get the whole thing covered because we want it to be extra sticky so that it can get lots of food on there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to dump your birdseed onto a plate or container. You don't need a whole lot of birdseed because the cardboard tube will be very sticky. Then you're going to roll your cardboard tube in the birdseed. You might get a bit messy, but that's okay. Now you're going to grab your string and you're going to put it through one end of the tube and out the other. Then you're going to tie the ends together so it makes a triangle that'll hang from the tree. Just like that. If you have extra bird seed, feel free to make another one or save it until you can use it again. There's my bird feeder hanging from the tree. Thanks for watching!